This is Juris Stupidity, a video podcast devoted to the use and misuse of legal terms and concepts in social and other media. This episode is about jail as a contempt sanction. This week, the social media sphere and regular media were all abuzz about former President Trump being threatened with jail time after his 10th citation for criminal contempt of court in the hush money trial. By the time of preparation for this podcast, there has been little discussion about sanctions involving confinement outside of confinement in jail or prison. But first, I would like to remind you that I devoted 2 earlier episodes to the legal concept of contempt. And for background, you might want to check back on them. And if you want, send me a note and I'll repost it. In this episode, I will focus on the sanction for criminal contempt as imposed by New York law, where Trump's hush money trial is being held. The jail or prison sanction for criminal contempt is perfectly legal and memorialized in a New York statute. Some commentators have characterized that jail for Trump is somehow like what would happen in a banana republic. Far from it. New York Judicial Law Section 751 states, punishment for contempt may be by fine, not exceeding $1,000, or by imprisonment, not exceeding 30 days, in the jail of the county where the court is sitting, or both, in the discretion of the court. The court has full power to send the former president to jail. The media has used the jail sanction as clickbait. Less discussed, or not at all, is that the court has the power to impose a sanction of confinement that is less than jail, namely house arrest or home confinement, either of which can be set for a number of days conforming to statute. Moreover, the court has the inherent power to depart from the statute I recited earlier and to set the terms under which Trump can be confined to his home, under what conditions, and how long. Such a departure would also not be something out of banana republic justice. It has long been recognized that courts have such inherent power. As in all states, New York courts have acknowledged this power, saying, it is well established that every court has inherent power to do all things that are reasonably necessary for the administration of justice. Home confinement has been imposed on other high-profile cases, and nobody was accusing the courts then of being like a banana republic. A few of those cases involve such people as Martha Stewart, 2005, Bernie Madoff, 2008 and 9, and Paul Manafort, 2018. So, if Donald Trump misbehaves again, confinement sanctions are clearly and legally within the realm of possibility, and not some banana republic political result.